So guys, in this video I'm telling you how to edit video with InShot. So guys, we starting that now. So first, if you open InShot, then you can see this interface. So guys, you can see three options here. So first one is video option. From here you can edit video. In second you can edit photos, and third one is colors. With this you can edit multiple photos. So guys, so in this video I'm going to tell you how to edit video with InShot. So click on video. Now you have to choose a video. So I'm going to choose this video and this video. So click here. Now so you can add many clips to your video like this. You can see from here there are other clips. Okay, now if you forgot to put any clips to your video, then click here. Now click on video in photo. You can put video or photo. So I'm going to put this clip to my video. Now click here. So from here you can add clips to your video. So guys, you found to arrange this video in different timeline, then simply hold this video. Now you can move this video from here to here. So click on this video. So now you can see this. If you want to cut the parts of this video, then to the timeline we want to cut, then click on there, then click on split. Now click on delete. So you can see this. And some reason you made a mistake by clicking that clip, then click here on this arrow. So now okay, now you have to crop this clip, then click here. From here you can change this show, so like this. So guys, now you can see white button over here. So click here. From here you can put animation. So I'm going to choose this, and you can add text from here. So you can change the color, and here you can choose fonts, and from here you can add text animation like this, then click on out. Now you can see this. So now you can see your stickers over here. From here you can add stickers. So you can filter your video like this. You can choose a filter, and you can see the background. You can change your video background, and you can add music to your video. So you can use free music, and here you can see effects. You can use it. So guys, thanks for watching this video, guys. Please make sure to subscribe and you just press the bell icon, and don't forget to visit my website www.techtheartic.blogspot.com, and so don't forget to visit my new website www.team10.blogspot.com. So guys, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.